We have a yoga for beginners practice for you. This is really great for people who are brand new to yoga or wanting to get into yoga in a way that feels supportive. We're gonna break down some of the basics. We're gonna talk about alignment, and ultimately help you, guide you, to finding what feels good. So hop into something comfy, and let's get started. We have a yoga for beginners practice for you. This is really great for people who are brand new to yoga or wanting to get into yoga in a way that feels supportive. We're gonna break down some of the basics. We're gonna talk about alignment, and ultimately help you, guide you, to finding what feels good. So hop into something comfy, and let's get started. Now as a beginner, and this is just everybody, we're so used to sitting in chairs, and on toilets and stuff like that, kind of lost this connection to getting down nice and low and being able to sit up tall. So I just wanna say right off the bat, if you cannot sit in a cross-legged seat, you are not alone. And in time we'll be able to do that. Start yoga and take deep breaths in and out. We're gonna start in a comfortable seat on the ground, but if you're already thinking that that's not available to you and your body, you can start in a chair, you can start standing. We're just gonna take a second to tune in. This is part of the foundations of our practice. Taking a second to just let the day thus far melt away and put the future on hold, and really dig into the present moment so that we can the most out of our practice, and so that we can really align with where we're at today. So we focus on alignment as aligning the bones, but also there's this other aspect to aligning with just what is today. And I think it's a really great practice for loving yourself and being the best version of yourself. That practice. So if you want to try getting down nice and low, I recommend sitting on something. Now you might not have a yoga block available, so grab a couple towels folded up, or a blanket, or maybe a couch pillow that's nice and firm. Maybe a couple blocks, or maybe just give it a go on the ground. What's nice about lifting the hips up is that you can find length with more ease in the spine because the knees are dropping down below the hip sockets, just making it a little bit more easier for you to kind of root down and rise up through the spine. So just take a second to get settled in. And when you arrive in your seat, I'd love for you to flip the palms and lift your heart. So again, nice and easy, we're flipping the palms and we're lifting the heart. Now we won't spend too much time here cause I know time is precious and we want to get through our practice, but this might just be the most important moment where we close our tries, so trust me, trust yourself. Close your eyes and take the deepest breath you've taken in all day. And as you exhale, relax your shoulders. On your next inhale, see if you can grow a little bit taller, and then again on an exhale relax your shoulders. And one more time just like that, inhale business management articles, see if you can grow a little bit taller.